Hello, Isabella here to help you let go of some limiting beliefs so you can move on to become successful in whatever you want. First of all, there is nothing wrong with you. Your brain is working quite well. You have just been programming your mind all these years to think a certain way, and now that way just does not serve you anymore. We are here to help you change that programming to one that fits your needs at the present time by revealing certain truths. So let's get started. Day 7. To change anything in your life, you must come to accept the way that it is and your part in it. It is okay for you to be where you are right now. Right now, everything is what it is. This doesn't mean that you like the way things are, but instead that you accept the realities of your current state of life. Choose to recognize that this is where, who, and what you are currently, but that you can change and create the new and better circumstances for yourself. This gives you the power to change your future for the better. Here's your second truth. You can learn all the things you need to learn to achieve all the things you want to achieve. And this truth applies to learning new strategies for living your life more effectively. Don't you see? You have the ability to learn new things. This means you can learn new ways of handling and managing life that can bring you happiness, fulfillment, and peace, and new ways that will take you further than ever before. The past will try to hold you captive, but remember what the past is for, to learn and grow from it. It's time to forgive yourself and stop beating yourself up for all the mistakes you've made. And if you have accepted Jesus, he already has forgiven you of your past and future mistakes, and that's the great news. This means you can let the past and future go. That way you can move forward to a more healthy and effective you. You are learning new skills and shifting your thinking so you don't do those same things you did in the past. So, when you forgive others, you are not giving them a free pass. Instead, you are letting yourself off the hook from being tied down to those things. It will not control or determine your destiny and how you experience life anymore. Great freedom and peace can come from acceptance and forgiveness. When you hold on to things, they control you and dictate your experiences. This isn't fair for you, but that's how it works. You can choose how to accept and release yourself so you can break free from those chains that have held you back from the life you deserve to live. You must accept yourself fully. If there is a part of yourself that you don't accept, it will follow you around, causing chaos in your life. When you dare to face your internal demons, that is when you will find the strength to defeat them. Remember your truths. 1. You can get through anything. You always have. You always will. 2. You can learn all the things you need to learn to achieve all the things you want to achieve. You begin right where you are right now. It is not a bad place to be. It's just not where you want to be. Just know this, there is nothing wrong with you. You are not broken. You are not a bad person. You are not wrong for feeling the way you do. You may be going through something difficult, but it does not define who you are unless you allow it to. When you go through this process, you will be able to change your subconscious programming to be more effective, beneficial, and one that serves you better. I hope you're enjoying this journey with me and learning a lot. It is my goal to help you renew your mind for success. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out my side hustle, please click the link below. Also, please like and subscribe to stay informed when I upload another video. Again, thank you for watching and God bless.